Hello everyone, welcome to LearnExcel. I'm going to be teaching you how to use the SUMIF function in Excel. So here I have a set of data which has the name of the students, their gender, their age and the total marks. So what I want to do here is use the SUMIF function to determine what is the total number that is achieved by male students and what is the total number of marks achieved by female students. Before diving into the function, I would like to talk about the function. So if we type SUMIF, so here we have three things we need to fill up in order to make the formula work. Objective is to show it where I am going to find the total range of male and female, so that is here in this range. Then I am going to give him the criteria. So based on what criteria am I going to get the summation? So my criteria is here, male and female. And lastly I have to show it the sum range. So the sum range is where it is going to get the values from, so that is in the total marks here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show it the range. So the range is pretty simple, it's here. I'm going to press F4 and freeze it. Then I'm going to press comma. Now I'm going to show it the criteria based on what he is actually going to work. So the criteria is here, F4 again. Now show it the sum range. So I have selected what is the range where I'm going to get the data from. I have shown it based on which criteria it is going to filter out the data. Now the last thing that is remaining is how it is going to calculate the sum. So for sum I'm going to give it this one. So then I'm going to press F4 again. Now if I did not give it total marks, rather than I had given it age, then it would have summed the total age of male and female and given me the answer. I don't want to do that. I want to see what is the total mark of male students and what is the total mark of female students. So I'm going to be choosing the total marks section. Now when I press enter, see what happens. This is the total number that is achieved by the male students. Now let's drag it. So as you can see, this is the total number that is achieved by female students. So this is a very basic and easy way to use the SUMIF function. There are a lot of other ways you can use the SUMIF function. I have shown you one simple way. Now based on this mindset, you can use it in various type of things. Every time the formula works the same way, you have to choose the sum range, you have to give it a criteria, and you have to give it a total range. Based on these three arguments, it is going to be able to show you any type of total value for any sort of criteria based on the data set you have. So I hope I have been able to explain the thing in a very simple manner. Give it a try and comment if you are facing any challenges, and let me know in the comments what topic I can come up with for next time. Thanks for watching.